this tutorial, we'll cover the process of calibrating the touchscreen and reprogramming the keys on the Daly City 900 and 1000. To initiate the screen calibration setting, place all 5 fingers on the screen. The radio will automatically enter the calibration mode. Follow the on-screen prompts by touching the designated points for calibration. Next, let's proceed to calibrate the touch keys. Start by accessing the Settings menu. Select Car Setting. Scroll down and locate the Extra Setting option. Enter the password. Continue scrolling down until you find the touch area key. Select Start to initiate the reprogramming of the keys on the left side of the radio. Click Clear to remove any previous key settings. Now, reprogram each key individually. Tap Reverse on the screen, then select Power key, and finally, touch the physical power key. Repeat this process for the Home, Back, Volume Up, and Volume Down buttons. After completing the reprogramming, click End to save the settings. Test the reprogram buttons to ensure they function correctly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.